a little confused by match.
I'm trying to think.
Or index.
Oh, the index one too, maybe. The match one. Reference room. Okay, I have the video. Let me.
You have to give a row number though for index. That doesn't really make sense.
Let me.
But notice that it gives.
Sorry, I'm almost.
Oh, with match, you could do the lookup value. So you could do like rust proofing or whatever your add-on is. And then do the array.
Oh, I see. VLOOKUP and then put the match in the VLOOKUP.
Mm-hmm. But if we do the match, then we're going to have to add, I think it is 5 to that, right?
Let me see.
It's giving me an error. Did I hear Tyler for a second, or was that your husband?
That was, I thought I heard Tyler too, but it might have been this kid too. Yeah. Matt. So, and then here's the whole row and column thing. That, we wouldn't use that for this, right?
Okay, so look, this is when I do match, and then lookup value, let's say rust proofing, just to test it. And then the lookup array, say it's that. It's giving me 12. What does that mean? What's 12? I thought it would give me 1.
Yeah, or I thought it would give you 6 because it's in the 6th. Oh wait, that it's the 12th.
It's 12 from the bottom.
It's 12th alphabetically.
That's possible.
Because Will.
That's giving me 12 too.
The heck?
I don't understand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Maybe if I add that match type. So VLOOKUP, let's do rust proofing. The array is that match type.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Then it's 1. Okay, so then we would just have to add 5. Right?
Wait, add 5 for.
To make it to the right row. Right?
Okay, wait, did you already, sorry, I'm like way behind then. Did you already make all your rows? Like, here, let me share screens.
This is the first thing I've done.
This is the first thing you've done? Okay. Because I was thinking, and I'm probably wrong, but let me just show you what I was thinking. I was thinking we had to make, oh, here we go. These new rows, and then you pull the data from here for the add-ons on your dashboard, right?
Oh,
Or
I
can you
don't know.
do it straight like that? That would be easier. Let me see.
I don't know because I was just doing step number 1 so far. And so usually if you go in order, then you have all the material that you need.
See, that's where I was super confused. I guess I just misunderstood. Let's see. Because I was thinking that okay, I just read number 1 as you just making the dashboard. You were just adding you were just putting the output cells on there. But and the hint, consider the same type of formula used in step 1. Also to move. Okay, so then for number, I'm trying to think why you would need the, let's see.
This is so frustrating.
Because on your price, the +1. Hey, excuse me. Will that automatically update for whatever vehicle model you're needing?
No, that would be for whichever one. So because this is okay, it's not working right now.
Oh,
So I don't know. So I don't know what I should do. But I did from there to there.
I see.
So rust proofing was number 2 instead of number 1 under like Civic that was 1, 2. So that's why I did that.
Gotcha.
+1. But you could also just highlight all of these probably and not have to do that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start this over.
Okay, I'm gonna watch it. And then I'm watching.
Well, I haven't gotten it right yet, so can't really go according to what I'm doing because it's wrong. But I did VLOOKUP. And lookup value, the first one for VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is, oh, I think that's what I'm doing wrong. Did I do HLOOKUP or VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP is right to left, right?
Yeah. Wait,
okay,
but
so I want HLOOKUP.
You're just looking for the base price first, right?
Right.
Okay.
So HLOOKUP, and then you put the vehicle model, which is escape. And then the table array, which I labeled as price. And then this is the hard part. So we could do match.
Yeah.
And then this one. And then I had an array called add, which were the add-ons. And then I want it to be exact. When I close that, that should give me my row number. But I need to add 1.
Yeah.
And then we false. So, hey, I think I did it.
You did it!
Woo!
So the problem was it was just HLOOKUP then.
Yeah. Okay, so then I can just drag it down to the cost and change this instead of price, do the cost array.
No.
Sure. Okay, let's make sure. Escape, rust proofing 600. Woo!
Yay.
And then escape rust proofing 150 for cost. And it's 150. Woo! Okay. That makes me feel better.
You did it. You totally did it.
We did it together.
Okay, can you click on it one more time just so I can get one more good look at?
Here?
Yeah, they were both HLOOKUP, right?
Yeah, they were both HLOOKUP.
And then
The only thing I changed was the array inside of the HLOOKUP. I changed it from my price array to my cost array.
okay. Cool. Way to go.
We did it. Woo!
Oh my gosh, little boy.
Okay.
Okay. So that was number 1 then, right? That's it for number 1.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I think
So then for number 2 then, I was ahead. I was ahead of this. Well, I wasn't ahead of this. I haven't done this yet, but I had jumped around because I thought for some reason number 2 would help with number 1, but you just taught me that. How do you get the prices? How do you make the 6 new columns?
I haven't even looked at number 2 yet because I was stuck on number 1. So let me see. Please go back to sales data worksheet on the additional columns and add additional columns for the following.
Hey.
12 columns showing the price for each of the 12 different add-on options. Do you understand what that, so like showing the price of these, like only if it's a 1?
So yeah, so in your next 6 columns, you just if that person bought rust proofing, then you'll just put
Put the
this
price.
is as far as yeah, you'll just like if they have a 1, but instead of a 1 here, it'll be the price, and then your total here of add-ons.
Okay, so first you would want to copy this over there. So I have 12 new columns. Then, so we want to start with an if statement, right?
Okay, that's it. I was going for. I just didn't know if one of the other ones we learned this week would have helped better, but probably start with an if statement. If
I think it's just if that equals 1.
yeah, if that's true.
If that is 1, then true. Okay, this is where it gets more complicated. We have to look up the price of rust proofing for the right model.
So
So it's pretty much going to be the same as what we did for price. So we can do HLOOKUP. And with HLOOKUP, we put the model first, right?
yes.
HLOOKUP model.
We really don't have to even.
We do.
Throwing me off because we don't really need to make.
For these ones, we want to anchor them though. For the model, we want to anchor it so that it stays in the right column. So it stays in E.
Just the column.
And these ones we don't want to anchor at all. Like K4, we don't want to anchor. So we're looking at that. And it's that same price array. And the number is going to be match rust proofing. And for that one, we want to anchor the row, but not the column.
Match. Wait.
False value, we just want that.
Yeah. Wait.
Is that right?
750. What make is the first one?
Ford rust proofing should be 750. Oh, I did the wrong one.
Yeah.
Escape. Oh no, it should be okay. So escape rust proofing. Escape rust proofing is 600. So I did something wrong.
I think. Okay. If K4 equals to 1, are we doing?
I don't know what I did wrong.
Does it have to do with your +1? Because the CRV was 750 for rust proofing. Or the Camry was 750 for rust proofing.
750. Yeah, CRV. So it'd have to be my H lookup that's messed up, right?
Yeah.
So what?
Hey! You have to be quiet, mister.
Now I put escape. So it should look up escape in the price table. In the row rust proofing +1. I don't know what I could have done wrong there. Let me see what the next one is and see what it says. Okay, so it says 750 again, then 650. Why is it giving me that? It's saying 650 for Civic. 650 is right.
Yeah, but yeah.
But that 750 is CRV. That's weird.
Man, that is. Sorry, my kid is so loud.
No, he's fine. Or she?
He's in his bouncer. He's in his bouncer.
Oh, he's fine. He sounds happy.
He's when my husband is home to babysit. Okay, so let's K4 equals 1, H lookup.
I don't
Do you
understand
have
how this one could end up being right and that one's wrong. That doesn't make sense.
Is it because you have the wrong thing locked down?
don't think so. I think they're right.
E6. Are they all getting rest proofing though? Like those first three, are they all rest proofing or?
Yeah, they're all rest proofing.
Okay.
All right, I made it.
Yay, you're here.
I'm here to solve the problem, right?
Just in time to save us.
Uh-oh.
Did you work on the mini project yet?
No, I only got as much done as I had before.
Well, have you started working on the columns at all?
Nope. Oh, that looks fun.
So we run into this issue where I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I'm getting the wrong answer for the first couple and then the right answer for down lower. I don't know.
Huh.
Okay, what about this one? That says 750 again.
They can't all be 750, can
I know. And that one's a CRV, so that's right. That one actually is supposed to be 750. And the next one is also a CRV, so that's right. That one's an Odyssey, and it says 850. And that's right. I don't understand why the first couple are wrong.
Huh.
Okay, walk me through why you did +1 again.
I did +1 because I only highlighted this area in my match, and the my price array was this entire area, and so it had one extra column at the top, one extra row at the top. So I had to add one more row to make it accurate.
Hmm.
And this says that it's not applicable. What is that? What did I do wrong? Why is that not working? Camry? Is Camry spelled wrong or something? No.
Are there any spaces? Oh, it doesn't look like it. Well, I mean, like on the sales data.
Let's see.
Oh, that's looking okay.
No. Ah, this is so frustrating.
Delete it all. And let's do it one more time.
Yeah, let's try that.
Try it one more
See
time.
if it fixes it. Okay, should we try VLOOKUP this time? Do opposite? Is there a problem?
Okay, wait. Index couldn't be used here, right?
What does index do again?
I just learned about it and I already forgot.
Me the name of the vendor in every cell. In a previous video, if you remember, we started with the first one.
Let's see. Let me try index. Array. Do that. It asks for the row number. So that, I think, would make it more complicated.
Yeah.
What were we using before?
If statement.
Match.
Oh, before, yeah, match. Oh my gosh. My child is so loud. I'm sorry.
You're fine.
Wait, is it supposed to be H lookup instead of V lookup?
I'm trying VLOOKUP this time, but doing rust proofing first.
Okay.
See if that makes a difference. Table array. Okay, column number. Why is it still asking for my column index number? Oh, because I haven't put a column. Duh. What's that? Ah, what did I do wrong?
Find a typo.
Oh, look. Is that right?
600. Yes. Escape, right? Ford escape? Yeah.
Cool. Let's see if it works for all of them. Oh, I wanted not false. I wanted.
Patience.
Oops. What did I do? Dang it, I messed it up.
Yeah, so you still need false,
That one
but
was
you
false.
do.
But then outside of it,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, I see. Quotations. Quotations.
Cool, I think we
Yay!
got it.
So what, you just switched the VLOOKUP this time? You did,
Yeah, I
not
just did
VLOOKUP.
VLOOKUP this time with the exact same thing. Yeah, now it's making me do it manually.
All right. Glad I could contribute.
Hey. We just all had to watch Madison do it, and then
Yeah,
it just, when you have the pressure of someone watching, it just happened, right?
exactly.
Yay! Yay!
Okay, now how far over? Whoa, I can't even see what these are. Is that all? Goes up to entertainment package.
Yep.
Cool, I think that's right then. We did it.
Yay.
Hooray.
Okay, and then so that's basically number 2, right?
Yeah, I think so. Well, let's look through it. We'll
And then
make
you just have
sure.
to do a grand total column.
column shows the total price of the add-on. Oh my gosh. Please note, if they purchase 3 or more, then they get a 15% discount. Oh my gosh, there's so many complicated little...
I know, I opened it up, I was like, there's only 3 steps, this is great.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Uh-huh.
Well, that
There's
many
500 subcategory things. So is it saying the total of this? Or like off to the
I
side
think
here?
like for that specific car all the way at the end, right? For that person that bought it.
So this is the car, right? It's the row.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So Sarah bought this car with all of these different add-ons.
Yeah, that's what I'm assuming.
Oh my gosh, how do we do a discount of 15% for people who bought 3 or more?
I don't know how to do it, but I'm pretty sure. Did you watch the video for this mini project?
I didn't finish it.
I think at the end, if I watched all of it, but it was yesterday. I'm pretty sure he gives you like a hint on how to
Okay, so I'll rewatch that.
do it.
Okay. But there's gonna be a total.
So you do
So
a
I guess
total.
what you could do for the discount, you'll do an if statement with a count function in it.
Oh,
So
that's
if count of the row is higher than 3, then multiply total by 15%. So you can have the total and then total with discount.
okay. So
Cool.
that would mean that if logic test count would it be, can it just be count like this? Or is
Yeah,
it
that should work.
Oh my gosh, that is not working. Go back. So if that's greater than or equal to 3, then am I supposed to put like any ands or anything there, or is that right?
Yeah, I think you'll want quotation marks for the,
Around the count?
well, maybe not. Go ahead and try it, and if it comes out with an error, then try something else.
Okay. So then we want the sum. So that's true. We want the sum of all of this minus minus the sum of all of that. Times 15. Right?
0.15.
Oh, yeah.
And put the sum times 0.15 in its own parentheses.
Oh, that in its own parentheses? This time in its own parentheses?
Yes.
And then if it's false, then we just want the sum of this.
Yes.
I think we got it.
Yay.
Actually, let me look at that again. Let me see. No, yeah, okay, cool. Yeah.
Well, let's just
Aha.
see if it's right. So if we check on this one, it's going to be 600 plus 170. Plus 150 plus 160. Okay, so it's not that. Equals that. 0.15. Yeah, that looks like it's right. Cool. So now we just have to drag it down.
Oh my goodness, I love it when that happens.
I know. It's like it all looks beautiful.
There's
Now,
no
why is this person like $0? Did they just not pay for any add-ons? Yeah, they didn't get any add-ons. I wish you could actually do that in a real dealership. No, they put those add-ons on whether you want them or not.
Okay,
Cool.
I have to go, you guys. We have to go to Salt Lake in a little bit, but thank
Fun.
you. This is going to make me feel so much better about doing this.
Yeah, thank you guys for all of your help.
All right. Thanks
And
for
there's no-
going long enough for me to join.
You can thank the mini project for that.
Yeah.
And we just
Okay.
have next week, right? So we won't meet for a whole nother week then, right?
Right.
Okay.
All right.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Okay.
Guys. We'll see you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Adios.
Bye.